Hello, I'm Division Chief of Community Risk Reduction for Harris County ESD 48. Today we'd like to talk to you about the Home Safety Survey, and one of those key points is dryer safety. Part of dryer safety is being sure that your dryer vent is cleaned annually. A leading cause of an appliance fire in a home is a dryer that has buildup or backup of lint in the exhaust tube leading out of the home. A lot of times, people replace their dryer because it becomes less efficient. In reality, the problem still may exist because there's a buildup or a backup of lint in the exhaust tube. Some other important safety tips is never leave your dryer unattended. Never start your dryer and leave home, or start your dryer and go to bed. For you do-it-yourselfers at home, you can pick up a dryer vent brush at your local hardware store, but for those larger jobs, we recommend having a professional. And today we're working with 911 Dryer Vent Cleaning.
Every home is different based upon a way we clean. On this home here, we're doing wash and dryer is actually on the second floor. We will go upstairs, pull the dryer away from the wall. At that point, visually inspect the whole dryer vent, the actual back of dryer, and look and see how much lint we have back there. Access to actual attic area, and then we actually look at the vent pipe up there and make sure that's all fine. We look at the rooftop vent. We basically go from the dryer and go all the way up the wall, reach the rooftop vent. Once at the rooftop vent, I basically go the opposite way and go down the wall and make sure the whole vent is then cleaned out.
I'd like to thank Lee with 911 Dryer Vent Cleaning for helping us with this important message.